Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at 11 Hempson in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So here in the front of the house, you can see where your parking is. You've got this really pretty green, it's kind of like a sage color on the outside. These are 2 custom steps going up to your doors. And you've got your outside electric there. Another outside electric, and right there is your water. There's still a few things that need to be finished up in this house. You've got in the front, the grass just needs to grow, and I believe the light bulbs on the outside have to be put in, but besides that, almost every single thing in this house is complete. We'll take a look inside now. Got these 2 great storm doors that have glass in them right now, but you can switch them out for screen doors, which we'll see later. Got this nice ceiling fan in the living room. Really spacious room right here. I'll walk into the corner so that you can see it from a different angle. Here you can see just how large the room is. Got this vinyl flooring throughout the house. And in the living room, you also have a cable jack, so it's very easy to set up a TV. Really great windows up at the front. Brings in a ton of light. We also have these premium extra large blinds. I just think they look really pretty. This is your kitchen. Tons of cabinetry space in here. You can see right here, you've got these super deep cabinets. And I'll also note that there's a slow closing mechanism on all the cabinet doors in this house. So if you try and slam it closed, it'll just slowly close like that. Taking a look at the rest of the kitchen. We have Whirlpool appliances, stainless steel, all of them. This is your refrigerator. You've got a freezer on the top and a fridge on the bottom. In the freezer, you've also got that ice maker right there. And lots of space in the fridge. Here are the other cabinets in here. You can see there's a really quick and easy change for the shelving height. So if you wanted to make it a little bit higher or a little bit lower, very easy to do. Again, you've got that slow closing mechanism. Here's your dishwasher. Rack on the top and bottom, and utensil holder. Got this laminate countertop. A double sink. And I'll show you here, the blinds go up really easy. You just lift them and they stay right there. So as you're washing dishes, you've got that great light coming in from that window. Here is the corner cabinet. This one's a bit deeper. And this is your microwave here. It's right above your stove oven combination. You've got a 4-burner stove, oven right here. And beneath all of that, you've got a heating tray. All of the appliances in this household come with warranties through the manufacturer. That is your back door there. And this is your electrical panel. Now this is just like a regular house. It's 100 amps and everything is already labeled in there for you. This is your thermostat. It's responsible for controlling the central air conditioning and heat throughout the house. This is where you could put your side-by-side washer and dryer. You've got these 2 cabinets on the side with the adjustable shelving. And right above me here, you've got a hanger as well, or a rod to put hangers. Right behind me here is the bathroom. You've got your mirror right here, and that's above your sink. And cabinets below. This is your shower. It's one-piece fiberglass. Got that nice window up top to bring in light. And you've got 2 seats in there. Right to the left here, you have a hanger to put a towel. This is your toilet, and right above, you've got space to store more stuff. Moving on to the bedroom, got this really nice room with the window right there. Take a look outside. You can see the other house right there. This closet spans the length of the wall. Here you've got your data plate on the wall, which has all the information about the house. And this is a pre-installed wire rack as well. That also runs the length of the wall. Taking a look right behind the door we came in is the water heater. This is a 40-gallon water heater. And I would like to mention that the windows are double thermal pane, and along with the water heater and the furnace, which we'll see in a moment, all add to the Energy Star certification that this home has. Here is your furnace, which is responsible for the forced hot air. The one thing that I really love about these AirQuest furnaces is that you've got a filter there that changes, you can change very quickly. And this is the second bedroom. You've got your 2 windows in the front that looks out right over your driveway and the rest of the neighborhood. Lastly, you have the closet right here. You've got the wire rack that comes pre-installed. And like I mentioned before, these are your 2 screen doors. If you wanted to replace the storm doors from glass to screen, you have that right there. If you're interested in this house or any of the other houses that we have, please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions to get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff redevelopment, and it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations, so come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.